She won't say it. She won't text it. And she definitely won't confess it. But sometimes, a woman's silence doesn't mean she's moved on. It means she's waiting. Waiting for you. Not for a desperate message or a grand apology, but for the man she once saw glimpses of. Calm, certain, grounded. You see, women don't wait for men who just gave them attention. They wait for men who made them feel safe, emotionally, mentally, even spiritually. So let's break down the 7 quiet signs she's still waiting for you. Sign 1. She keeps you in her circle. She might not reach out, but she hasn't pushed you away either. She watches your stories, likes your posts, or brings your name up casually with mutual friends. That's not random. That's her way of staying close enough to see if you'll return, but without losing her dignity. Sign 2. She mentions the past. Softly, when a woman is done, the past means nothing. But when she still cares, she'll bring up small memories. Remember that song? Or that place we used to go? It's not nostalgia. It's a quiet invitation to see if you still feel it too. Sign 3. Her energy shifts when you're around. She can talk to anyone with ease, but when it's you, her tone changes. Her eyes hold longer. Her laughter softens. She might act like she's moved on, but her body language betrays her heart. Sign 4. She's not dating seriously. Maybe other guys try to get close, but something in her stops it. Not because she can't move on, but because deep down, she's waiting for clarity from you. She doesn't want to give herself away if there's still a chance you'll show up. Sign 5. She reacts to your silence. You think she's ignoring you, but she's noticing everything. How long it's been since you reached out, whether you've changed, whether your silence is peace or punishment. If she's watching quietly, she's waiting loudly on the inside. Sign 6. She still defends you. When your name comes up, she doesn't speak with bitterness. She defends your intentions, even when she shouldn't. That's not weakness. That's loyalty she can't fully shut off. Sign 7. She hasn't closed the door. You'll feel it in the way she looks at you. There's no hate, just a quiet question in her eyes. Will you ever come back different? That's how women wait, not with words, but with unspoken hope. So if you recognize these signs, don't rush in. Don't break the silence just to fill it. Become the man worth the patience she's been showing. Because when a woman truly waits, it's not for who you were, it's for who you're becoming.